crisis. There are 4 targets in total. I repeat, 4 targets in total. The CI is getting into position. Hold for my safety. Boys, boss, man, it's time. That's really necessary. Yeah, it's great.
그런 수분에
We
받았다.
did a serious part of that cash. Into that fucking party. 15 large. Stand back. I thought Blake was just talking to his boy. Gotta see what you guys got going on. And I want in. I can move volume, expand across fucking territories. And if that's something you want, then, you know, I want to work. What do you know about working? Excuse me? You work for the shit you got here? Work so your daddy don't fuck up your face? Look at him wrong? Say the wrong thing? Nah. I bet not. I bet. Birthdays around this hood? Fuck that. I bet a glowing fucking report card gets you a brand new car. Or a deep sea fishing trip down to the Caribbean. Right? That sounds so nice. Did you work? What's in that bag? Or is that just the Golden Boys weekly allowance? Now this ain't about me. Just put the money in the bag. I don't give a fuck about Rick here. Now we talking or we selling? You got this wrong, man. I mean, if you are all kinds of fucked up, just which one of us is, right? Right. So we cool? Yeah, we good? Leave the cash. They could get you sorted out day after tomorrow. I thought I was gonna get some now. Do you really think that I would just bring 50 large worth of powder to some rich boy's mansion I don't even know? But they vouch for me. Are we gonna have a problem yet? Jesus, kid. It's like my items. They have to move in. All right, roger that. We're locked and loaded. You're right at the beginning of our fucking relationship. Oh. No problem. You're asking me to trust you. Because you trusted me. So I'm gonna take the cash tonight. Come on, Eddie. Think so. That Puritan large, I'll turn around in 48 hours. No, fuck that. I'll turn it around even quicker. 24 hours, pure profit, nothing else. If not, I think we have to